Alright, there it is. It's going to be the first test ride with the new 2-in-1 SNS qualifier catted version. This is the 50 state legal. So we're going to take her out and see how she sounds. Hopefully the GoPro mic picks it up really good. Alright, let's check it out. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can hear that, but we got a new exhaust. It's actually a lot louder than I thought it was going to be. I might end up putting that DB killer back in, because this thing's got some freaking bark now. So it might be a little too loud. I still got to test out the music, see how that goes. Picking up a little bit of vibration in my floorboards now, so I think something's touching somewhere that wasn't touching before. So I might have to get a washer or two. It came with washers for this side to push it out, but I don't think it pushed it out far enough. It still might be touching the brake reservoir a little bit. So, but I think besides that, I don't hear any other vibrations. Oh, I got a new windshield too. I'm not sure how I like it because it doesn't have the flare. So I haven't really done anything like super aggressive. Like, this is the first time I'm riding it right now. So I'm just trying to give the engine some time to learn it, just in case it needs to learn anything. And we need some gas, and then we'll go rip on it a little bit and see how she sounds in some RPM. So let me get some gas and I'll get back to you guys in a second. I haven't got gas yet, but I was like, you know what, I need to get on the freeway and see what it sounds like, you know, cruising at like freeway speed. So far, at about daytime. There you go. That's even better. 63 miles an hour. It's pretty loud. I'm not gonna lie. I think I got my music turned up to like 7, which normally I would be able to hear. And I feel like I gotta yell to actually talk to you guys now. So if I'm yelling in the video, sorry. But 73 miles an hour. Yeah, I can still hear my music. I turned up. Oh, probably got turned up just a little bit more than normal. But like I said, I don't have the DB killer in. I took the DB killer out, so I'll have to put the DB killer back in and do another test, see if it tames it down a little bit. I might have to start wearing earplugs. Golly, this thing is loud. Oh, and as soon as you twist the throttle, it gets real loud. Oh crap, we'll get copyrighted. I'm gonna have to cut this part out. Honestly, I think I had to put the DB killer back in because this thing is like resonating my helmet and in my ears. Like, it's making my ears vibrate. And I don't like it. I never thought I would say something that's too loud, but this is too loud for it to be in a shorty. It needs to be a little bit longer because it comes out like right underneath the bag, pretty much, like right where the bag starts. Oh crap, I hope I'm not getting into the traffic. Oh, it's smooth. So yeah, but it comes out like, it is loud. When you get on it, you get like 3,000, 3,500 RPM. It's loud, but it's got a nice throaty tone to it. I haven't noticed any power difference really because I'm just letting the computer kind of learn its new stuff that it's got going on right now. Ooh, dodged it. Yeah, I am picking up a lot of extra vibrations in places. Like, I don't know what that noise is. I have to look around for that. That sounded like something was loose. We got to get over because we're getting off. Whoo, man, I need to do like a full check over this thing and see what's make sure I got everything tightened up whenever I get back to the house. But yeah, it's loud, guys. Like, if you're looking at something that's like loud, deep throaty tone, the S&S 2-in-1 is what you want to get. The brackets are garbage. Honestly, they suck. I'm really annoyed about that. Freaking $1,600 exhaust and the brackets are trash. I had to fabricate my own. Well, I used theirs, but I had to fabricate it in order to get it to work. And that was just really annoying. I was disappointed in that. So, but the exhaust itself is really nice, and the fitment on it is really good. Ooh, there we go. We get a little mark up against that wall right there. I hope y'all can hear that, because it sounds really good, and it's hurting my ears bad. We'll pull over here and get some gas, and then we'll scoot on out to the lake, because I haven't been out that way in a while. We'll see if any of our friends are out there. Oh wow, it feels like it might even pull a little bit better. It said it was like I think a 5 horsepower and 4 torque gain. I mean, I don't really feel like I feel that, but it feels good. Strong, no check engine lights. Like I said, this is the catted version, so we shouldn't have any check engine lights, but golly, it's loud. I've got to put the DB killer back in, and there was something rattling. I got to figure out what it was. It looks good though. Like, it's a really good looking exhaust. It's got nice little burbles sometimes too. I think that might have been an undercover cop. Red light. It's got a nice like bark on the blip for the downshift too. I really like that. Jump up here to the gas station. Alright, I'll be right back, guys. Alright, so this is like just cruising 63 miles an hour, about 2,500-ish RPM. Not too loud. Alright, but guys, I got on it back there. I swear the butt dyno, you can feel it in the butt dyno, unless it's just the noise that's making me, but I swear I feel like it's pulling on my shoulders a little bit tougher than it normally is. So I think you can feel it a little bit in the butt dyno. I don't feel like, actually, you know what, let me correct that. I don't think you can really feel the power. You can feel the change of delivery in the power. That's what it is. I think it delivers the power a little bit different. So I think that's what I'm feeling. It's like kind of like more gradual, and then it like just everything hits real hard. So it gives you, I think, that feeling of that it's making a lot more power, which 5 horsepower and 5 torque isn't like, I mean, that's a pretty good gain for just a straight up, you know, exhaust, especially with a cat, to get that much more power out of it. But it feels like it just pulls real good. We'll get a nice pull coming up over here. Like I said, I'm happy with the exhaust. Disappointed with the brackets. The brackets were real annoying. But everything else, I'm excited about. Like, it makes me want to ride. I mean, I never did not want to ride, but like this just like, it woke the bike up so much, and now it's like, it actually like finally sounds good and not like a sewing machine. Like, it's still the engine, these engines just sound like sewing machines, but now you got an exhaust to kind of match that sound. And I still have my warranty, so that's good, because I didn't do anything with like a catalytic converter. Oh, ooh, like, it's got some volume, guys. Oh, that's a nice house. It's got some serious volume. As soon as I can get a clear opening where I can rip on it a little bit, I'll give it a little rip. Ooh, yeah, she sounds good. I wonder what it sounds like off the bike. I'll have to let my brother-in-law ride it or something, or one of my other buddies. Let them ride it. All right, here we go, a little rip. Yeah, she sounds good. It sounds like something's loose somewhere, but I can't figure out where it's coming from. I don't know, but yeah, she sounds good, guys. I'm gonna ride her a little bit longer, let her get adjusted, and let her break in, and just enjoy cruising and some music. So I'll talk to you guys later. This one was a short one, but I hope y'all have a good one. Peace.